There we go.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Well, I want to tell you something. This is a story about... Oh, my God.
Oh, baby, no!
Booger!
You're supposed to tell a story.
I am. This is a story about a booger eater. Oh, so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. I got boogers in my tummy. Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. We're going to play it back. Julian.